Hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about maximum ifs and minimum ifs function in Excel, how we can use it in multiple criteria in a sheet. Like we have a sheet here where we have name of company, city, sectors and sales data. It is a very minimum data, but according to that we can find out maximum sales and minimum sales as per the criteria which we have given. Like here in the city, we will give the city here. Like suppose we will copy this Beijing city and copy here. Similarly, we will take this banking sector and just copy here. So we have to find out sales in a particular sector in a particular city where there are many places. Like Beijing is here also, and Beijing banking sector is here, and it's 3 times. So according to that we can find out the maximum sales in a particular sector and minimums in a particular sector in a particular city. So for that what we will do, we will go here and put equal to and put maximum ifs and bracket open. After that it will ask about maximum range. So in this case our range is the sales. So for sales we just select this complete range, then we will put comma. After that it is asking about criteria range. In our case the criteria range is the city, so we select this, then we will put comma. Excuse me. Then it will ask out the city, so in the place of city we will take this city, then we will put comma, then we will ask about the sector. In this we will take the complete this sectors range, then comma, then we will take this banking sector services and just close the bracket and press enter. So we will find out Beijing maximum sales, banking sector maximum sales. Similarly we go there, equal to maximum. In this time we will take MINIF and just open the bracket, minimum range. We will take the sales range, then we will put comma, it will have the criteria range. In criteria we will take this city, comma, then we will take this city, comma, then we will take sector range, comma, and then we will take this sector and close the bracket. So we will find out the maximum and minimum sales in a particular sector in a particular city. So this is the way we can find out. If we will change it, we can change accordingly. Like in place of this, like if we will put here another city, Omaha, so we will find the sale of that city. It's only have one data here, so it's showing the same result in both the cases. If you will change this, so we can change accordingly and find out it. So thank you very much for watching this video of maximum ifs and minimum ifs.